Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! No? Then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Prodigal. Prodigal means spending money or using resources freely and recklessly, wastefully extravagant. We will see a few examples to understand the word prodigal better.
Example 1. The symbol of rich people is organizing every ceremony in a prodigal manner. Example 2. Even though John can spend a prodigal life, he chooses an austere life in the countryside.
Example 3. When the prodigal son of businessman lost all his inheritance money in gambling, he is now doing a low-paying job. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word prodigal are extravagant, spendthrift, improvident, profligate, thriftless, unthrifty, squander, wasteful.
The next word of the day is
Innate. Innate means inborn, existing or having existed since birth. We will see a few examples to understand the word innate better.
Example 1. Leadership skills and other creative skills are not innate. We can acquire them by learning. Example 2. Jonathan had the innate capacity to learn foreign language. Now he is working as a translator in a prestigious international company.
Example 3. We must not judge people's learning abilities under certain circumstances. Nonetheless, some people may have a distinct innate ability to do the assigned tasks. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word innate are natural, inbred, congenital, inherent, intrinsic, instinctive, intuitive, hereditary, inherited.
The next word of the day is
Fret. Fret means to be nervous or worried. So we will see a few examples to understand the word fret better.
Example 1. After seeing the Rosanna fretting about not being able to choose the dress for the party, her friend helped her by providing some guide. Example 2. If you want to succeed in your task, then don't fret about the result.
Example 3. Monica started to fret when everything around her went wrong. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word fret are worry, anguish, brood, agonize, obsess, force, mop.
The next word of the day is
Frenetic. Frenetic means fast and energetic in a rather wild and uncontrolled way. We will see a few examples to understand the word frenetic better.
Example 1. I failed to complete my report within a deadline, even with my frenetic attempts. Example 2. Rosanna has such a bad temper that she often goes into a frenetic mode when she does not get her food on time.
Example 3. We can see a frenetic crowd of students at the doorway of college after the college hour. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word frenetic are frantic, crazy, frenzied, fanatical, overwrought, wild, maniacal, delirious.
The next word of the day is
Nuance. Nuance means a subtle difference or distinction in expression, meaning, response. We will see a few examples to understand the word nuance better.
Example 1. Even though I met John after a long 10 years, there is no nuance in his behavior. Example 2. The addition of lemon flavor to the dish created a nuance on a typical old taste.
Example 3. The judge in the musical show noticed even a mirror nuance in every beat of song sang by the contestant. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word nuance are subtlety, distinction, variation, nicety, trace, degree, shade, refinement, modulation.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching.